Imagine finding a creature like this taking a nap under your house.
This guy's huge.
The 1,000-pound bear clearly wants to be left alone.
Yep. All right, go bear.
So how do you get a bear to take a hike? Make a lot of noise. Bye-bye, bear.
Yep.
Hey! Ah! No! You fuck off!
Can I bring my trumpet? That would scare him.
Ах вы, блядь, вы что сюда пришли, а? Что сюда пришли? Ну-ка марш отсюда! Марш! Марш сейчас отсюда!
Let me go in your office, because he might come after me.
Get down! Right now! Go! No! No! Down!
What up, you fat piece of shit?
Get the fuck off my property!
Last night up in the loop, and we haven't had many get food this year, but could have been this one here. So if you guys cover your ears.
Perkele, siihen koske, saatana vie.
Now, when you think about the bears that are out here, you're walking along a trail like this, there's an opportunity for you to encounter a bear. And let's talk a little bit about what do you do if you're a hiker and you're on this trail and you see a bear.
Yeah, Mike, usually I give some do's and don'ts to hikers, campers. One of the things that you don't want to do right off the bat is panic. If you see a bear, most likely they're more afraid of you than you are of it.
Right.
So if you make noise on the trail, oftentimes you're not going to even have an encounter with a bear.
Mm-hmm.
If you do have an encounter with a bear, typically I will clap my hands or yell loud.
Right.
Most of the time they just run off. They don't want to have a confrontation.
You want to let that bear know that you're there.
Absolutely. They are very fearful of us.
Right.
More so than we are of them. So let them know that you're around. When you're hiking, if you have a partner and you talk to them, that's a good thing to do. If a bear hears you, they're not going to want to come and encounter you.